Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how you can use voice commands in your Porsche. This solution will work for the Porsche Cayenne, Porsche Macan, Panamera, 911, 718, Boxster and the Porsche Cayman. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. So basically guys, in order to use voice command in your Porsche, there's two ways. The first one is by just saying, "Hey Porsche," and the second one is by using the button on your steering wheel. So if you say, "Hey Porsche," and you have the option enabled in your settings, it's gonna answer you directly, but I actually have it turned off. So if you go here to your steering wheel, here in the left, you're gonna find all of these buttons. And as you can see guys, if you see right here, you're gonna find this voice command button. Just give it a click and then you're gonna be able to give a voice command. I'm gonna try it, for example. Just right here, give it a click and then, "How you doing, Porsche?" And normally it will answer you.
Beaumont in 597/France in Beaumont.
Okay.
Would you like to start route guidance?
So just give it the destination that you want, and then it's gonna give you directly your itinerary to go to your destination. Thank you guys for watching and see you guys in the next video.